Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, April 28, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Teachers, please make sure you post attendance. PST, all PST documentation should be current. If you have any student with yearbook money, please send to see Ms. Smith first thing this morning. There are very few left. I think there are around 15 or so. Teachers, please do not send students to the testing area until testing has concluded for the day. We'll be testing this week through Friday around lunchtime. The great news is that we have completed our testing for second, third, and fifth grades. All of those are complete. So we have our fourth grade science this week, and we have a couple of fourth grade makeups, and that is it. So that is great news. Today's late duty is Miss Lankford. Tomorrow is Miss Barnes. This week we have our fourth grade science ACAP, and we have Administrative Professionals Week. Also, next week, May 2nd through 6th is Teacher Appreciation Week. May 2nd is our Wellness Clinic. May 5th is the DeBakey Drug Bus for 5th grade. May 6th is School Lunch Hero Day. May 9th is SWAT 4th grade. May 9th through 11th is the iReady Reading Diagnostic, K through 5. May 10th, Vision Research on campus. May 11th, Graduation Walk at Shepherd for the 2022 MCPSS seniors. Miss Pate is going to be sending out the names of those students so that your students can make signs and celebrate them as they come down the halls. May 11th is National School Nurse Day. They will celebrate Nurse Eaton. May 12th is Spring Picnic. May 18th is PST. May 19th is Math PLT. Also, we have our end of the year iReady Reading Diagnostic coming up. On Monday, May 9th, kindergarten and first grade will be testing in their classrooms whole group. On Tuesday, May 10th, 4th and 5th will be testing in their classrooms whole group. On Monday, May 9th, Tuesday, May 10th, and Wednesday, May 11th, we have some second and third grade classes that will be testing in the Collab Lab and the Computer Lab. So make sure you are aware of your time and day for the iReady Reading Diagnostic. This is also an important assessment that we are going to take, and we are going to do our very best. I'm certain of it. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Shepherd Scholars.